This is the gateway to East Africa and East Africa's gateway to the rest of the world. A string of countries rely on the port for essential imports such as fuel, even food.
Kenya's second city, home to more than 1 million, and a tradition of trade dating back at least 1,000 years. There's been a port of some sort here for much of that time. This one is now a linchpin for economies across the region. This new berth is helping ease congestion. It was built by China Road and Bridge Corporation, the same company that built the SGR. The near 70 million upgrade is part of a broader revamp at the port, involving the construction of a second container terminal. Other big plans include the development of free trade zones near the port, more dredging so the port can accommodate bigger ships, and expanding inland storage capacity. The SGR will transfer cargo from the port to this new storage space. That's going to speed up turnaround times for new arrivals at the port, meaning countries such as Rwanda, the DR Congo, and Ethiopia will receive their much-needed imports far quicker. Already, the revamp is paying off. Total traffic through the port hit a record last year and profits jumped 45%. And that's before the new rail link is even open.
Mombasa's key role in East Africa's development stretches back centuries. Now, with the expanded port and the standard gauge rail, the city is set to play a central role well into the future too. Soni Methu, CGTN, Mombasa, Kenya.